welcome. Today's video we're going to be talking about the choice options that are now open when you guys see this for Boxycharm Base and Premium Box for November. You guys said that you find these videos to be super helpful for you guys when making your choices, so here we are. Happy Monday, happy add-on day, and happy choice day, and we'll go over the specifics on the dates, the time, all of that stuff. So if you're new here, y'all know the drill. We got to give that disclaimer. If you are new, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Ron, and over here we always embrace the hot mess, because over here, y'all, it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, we chat, we play in makeup, we do a bunch of fun stuff, and we remember it's just makeup, it's just unboxings, it's just subscriptions. We're here to forget about the craziness that's going on around us. So welcome, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. I upload 5 to 6, 7 times a week. There's always something going up over here. I also have a second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, so make sure to check that out as well, because there's a lot of Rhonda rambles, inner PJs going on over there. So let's go ahead and jump into what our choices are going to be for November base and premium box for Boxycharm. So like I said, today, October 12th, 2020 is choice day for your base box and your premium box. So they decided to go ahead and put this together to make it a little bit easier, because a lot of you guys said if you do receive the premium box and the base box, you find it a little difficult to remember which days are the choice days. Typically one happens a few days before the next, so they decided to try it out this way and do base and premium box choices today, the 12th. So let's go ahead and talk about what our choices are going to be for November base box. We're going to go ahead and start off with the Milk Makeup Mascara. Now, little information about this mascara is it does have a retail value, and by the way, I'm pulling this straight from Sephora. It does have a retail value of $24. It is a waterproof, intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. Now, my first thought when it came to a waterproof mascara is I was like, no ma'am, no thank you. I don't touch that because I already have dry, brittle lashes as it is, because I have thyroid issues. So I was a little like, when I saw waterproof. But the more I read up on the whole part of the hemp-derived cannabis sativa seed oil, it is actually oil that conditions for healthier looking lashes for a smooth application, and it does fuses fibers to the lashes for a thickness without a fallout. So I am now more so curious about the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, the waterproof mascara, for the simple reason is I really like the original Kush mascara. I do like the little heart-shaped fibers in there to help like thicken up my lashes. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like it is 11/11 Make-A-Wish as I'm filming this on Monday the 12th, and I'm going back and forth because I do also purchase my own base box as well as a premium box, and I'm kind of, this is a contender. This is definitely a contender. The next item that we have as a choice item is by Benefit, and this is the Gimme Brow. This was actually one of the Best of Beauty allures for 2019, and this is a brow volumizing tinted gel with tiny microfibers that create natural looking fullness and definition. And again, I'm pulling this from Sephora, and this does have a retail value of $24. The one thing I will say about that is I actually have picked up, I don't know where the one is that is open, but the little add-ons over at different subscriptions when you can do add-ons like for Ipsy or whatnot. I picked this one up, and I do use the Warm Golden Blonde. It is definitely more so, like it says, warm golden. I think that if you choose this and you have like a cool tone hair color, I would go with one. And the reason I'm going to tell you guys that is right now I am currently using the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel, and I flippin' love this. And it was funny, I was talking to my bank lady, and she was asking about my brows. I always just go ahead and I pencil them in because, as you guys know, I have thyroid issues, so I lose the outer part of my brow, so I pencil all of that in. Then I started going in with this haze is more of like a cool tone taupe type of brow product, brow gel, and it does have the fibers in there, and then I just like work it through all of my brows right to the end, and it gives it that 3D dimension to it. So I will tell you guys, this is the other item that I'm like, ooh, maybe I want this one in shade 1, and I will tell you guys, if you're curious about the shades and you are kind of questioning it, there are a lot of different shades, as well as it explains the undertones at Sephora's website, so I would definitely suggest going over there. I will link it down below for you guys if you guys are curious about getting the Gimme Brow Gel and you're not for sure which shade. Like I said, I think I may just go ahead and lean towards this because I'll have it as a backup for when my Milk Makeup Kush runs out. But I love brow gels that have fiber in there because, like I said, it gives you that 3D dimension, but as well as if you don't have the fullest of brows because of maybe thyroid issues or whatever it may be, this really helps to, you know, give that fullness versus that 90s style, you know what I mean? So this is a really hard choice for me, to be honest with you guys. I'm literally going back and forth, and you know what? I'm lying. I just made my choice. I'm gonna go with the brow gel because I have so many different mascaras that are in backup, and I'm gonna go with the brow gel. Boom, there you go. The next item that we do have available for choice, and this is by OFRA Cosmetics. This is the Essential Lip Enhancer, and this has a retail value of $17. Again, I'm just pulling this straight from Sephora. Now, I have had this in the past, and I really like this. I wanna say I got it in a glossy box or an Allure, something years ago. Like, we're talking 2017 years ago. And this is a refreshing and hydrating translucent light pink lip treatment with a soft rose scent. It has ingredients in there that helps to naturally create a fuller lip while diminishing the appearance of fine lines, which again, this is very intriguing, and I'm praying this ends up in add-ons today. Again, I'm filming this before everything opens up at noon, and I'm just like, ooh, I can't decide. At this point, I really hope everything ends up in available for add-ons, because I probably will just have to throw that stuff in there because, oh my gosh. This is an ultra rich lip moisturizer that nurtures and conditions your lips with the help of Maxi Lip, vitamin E, shea butter, and jojoba seed oil. These are good for you ingredients and are incorporated in a smooth, silky formula and protects lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. It is free of paraben, sulfates, and phthalates. Again, this is a really good choice. Okay, I don't know. I do not know. I will tell you guys, I'm gonna go with the benefit. Welcome to my Gemini brain. That also has ADHD. So there you go. Okay, so first choice would have to be the Gimme Brow. Second choice would be Jouer. And the third choice would be the mascara. Not because it's a bad mascara, but because I have so many. Like, we're talking over here, and some over there. So your girl don't need mascara, period. There we go. Okay, I did it. Okay, let's move on over to the premium. Remember, this is a judgment-free zone, guys, where I openly admit that your girl has ADHD. And I'm extremely scatterbrained, and I have thyroid issues. So, hello, welcome to my brain. That literally forgot the word that I was trying to think of to explain it. Okay, anywho, let's move on to what our premium choices are. And again, I'm struggling. The first item we're going to talk about is by Illamasqua. This is a beautiful eyeshadow palette, and you guys know my love for eyeshadows. That is my weakness. That is my jam, and I'm really struggling here. This is the Illamasqua Nude Collection Unveiled Artistry Palette that does have a retail value of $51. It is gorgeous, guys. It is so pretty. At first glance, it kind of reminded me of the ABH Modern Renaissance palette. I do feel like this is definitely a safe palette if you are into neutrals and you kind of want to get outside your comfort zone just a smidge with some pinks and rose colors. I think you're really going to enjoy this. I personally have not played around that I can think of off the top of my head with their eyeshadows. I know that we've gotten singles in other subscription boxes, and I'm pretty sure that I've given those away or put them in giveaways. So off the top of my head, I really truly don't know what their eyeshadow formula is like, but it's a La Masca and they always have really good reviews. So my guess is this is going to be a very nice palette. Like I said, it does have a retail value of $51, but you guys, this is, again, I'm on the fence. When I first saw some of these choices, I'm like, I don't know. But then when you start to read up on these products, that's when I start to change my tune. So for example, the other item you're going to be able to have a choice of for your premium box is the Smashbox powder. This is a setting powder. It does come in 2 different shades, so you're going to get to choose with translucent for light to medium skin tones, or dark, which is a translucent with a brightening banana tint for medium to dark skin tones. And the nice thing about the way that this little powder is like a regular powder, you have like a sifter in here, or you have to dump it all out. And the nice thing about this particular Smashbox setting powder is you turn, you click it, and it disperses the correct amount of powder that you need. And it seems to me like it would be very travel friendly. It does have a retail value, did I mark it down? It does have a retail value of $39, and this is called the Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder. And like I said, I'm a little bit on the intrigued side as far as that goes, with the way that you can kind of click it and it gives you what you need. I do want to let you guys know the benefits to this. It says sets, mattifies, blurs skin with a weightless matte finish. It does have a fresh powder every single time you click it. You customize the amount you need without wasting any powder. And here's what I am leaning towards this powder for, is the fact that it is free of talc, parabens, and phthalates. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and it's ideal for all skin types. And again, my thought is you have so many eyeshadow palettes, why not just go ahead and pick the setting powder? So as of right now, I think I'm leaning towards the Smashbox setting powder. I like that Boxycharm is giving us the opportunity to get setting powders. That's not something we've really seen too much in the past. I want to say the only time we've ever seen a setting powder was maybe the Too Faced Born This Way, but that was not something that everybody received. Actually, you guys were the ones who told me that that was available because something was missing in your box, or something wasn't fulfilled. I don't remember the backstory on it. So for me, I am intrigued by this. I like the fact that it is talc free, and for me, I want to say, and I could be wrong on this, but talc-free powders are smoother, they're finer, and they're less known to show like texture or fine lines. Like I said, I could be incorrect on that, but in my brain, that's what my brain is telling me, which you can't always trust it, but whatever. Anyways, guys, like I said, choice opens up today at noon Eastern time for base and premium. Add-ons also opened up today, early access for premium and luxe members, as well as waitlist members. All access for add-ons opens up tomorrow, October 13th, and I'm pretty excited about some of the things we have seen as far as add-ons go. We're seeing brands like Natasha Denona in there. We're seeing like the Natasha Denona concealer, there's a foundation, there is a highlight type of powder thing. So I'm pretty curious to see what all the add-ons are available. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hop off for now, but if you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, now is the time to get in, because today you will be able to make your choices for base and premium. So I'm gonna leave a link down below for you guys. Just FYI, that is an affiliate link. I will earn a little bit of a commission, so thank you guys in advance if you do decide to use my link to sign up. I greatly appreciate it. If there's any coupon codes floating around, where right now the last one I know about was like a $6 add-on credit. If you sign up and you put that little coupon code in there, you will get a $6 credit to shop in add-ons, which you guys, 70% off of amazing things. I'm doing a little Christmas shopping today, just saying. So anyways guys, that will be in the description box down below, as well as I will pin a comment in the comment section for you guys. So let me know what you are deciding to choose, or what you did choose, because I'm sure I will get this up after the choices have gone live. But I hope you guys are having a fabulous Monday, and until next time friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye guys.